Hello, hello, hello. This is Tony McGraven coming to you from Chicago as usual, and I've got some good stuff for you today. You can see I've got an allegedly drunk Karen in court. We've got a new friend. Let me see here. I just want to make sure that I get the name of the channel right. Body Cam Watch, who was very gracious in allowing me to use their video. It's so good. Also, I have to thank Biggin, who helped me procure some fresh Judge Vann madness. It's all good. Let's get started, shall we?
It's always a woman involved. I mean, not always, but a lot of times. All right. Can we agree that alcohol was a factor?
We're going outside. Let's go.
Are you touching me?
Yes. Everyone's asked you to leave. Let's go.
By the way, I also put a link in the description below to this video and a link to Body Cam Watch, the channel.
Follow me, buddy.
Where's she at?
She's downstairs.
They've got good stuff.
Oh, so what's the background, sir?
So she was on the phone, and one of my other employees downstairs heard the person that she was on the phone with need to stop drinking while on the job.
Okay.
So we just terminated her like probably 10 minutes before I called you guys. And she's refusing to leave.
Okay. So you her direct supervisor?
Yeah, I'm the manager.
Here we go.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Hi.
You doing okay?
Yeah, hi. What's your name?
Hi.
I am Officer Confront from Police.
Hi, how may I help you?
No, how may I help you? What's going on?
Nothing. I'm just trying to figure this out.
Figure what out?
This.
What's your name is?
Nailina Tierra?
Melina?
Nailin.
Nailene?
Yeah.
Nailene?
Do you have any idea why I'm here?
No clue. Just,
Would you like to know what I'm here for?
that's your problem.
Well, I know what I'm here for. That might be your problem, actually. That might be a business of yours.
Good see.
So, what's your title here, guys?
I'm the owner.
Okay. What's her title here?
She's a BDC. She works in the business
Yeah, I'm
development
also
center.
in law school if you want to take down my lawyer's information.
Well, I don't want to talk to you just yet. You just ignore me.
Yeah, okay.
So she was
I want
administrator
your
a couple
first and last name with my,
Yeah, that's her desk.
Oh, okay. So I want your ID number with your first and last name, so I could
You're
talk
gonna-
to my lawyer.
you're gonna get it.
Yes, because I'm in law school.
Okay.
All right. So
I'm
what's your first
a
and last name?
paralegal by profession. I got a
Oh
paralegal
yeah.
degree.
I'm 21 and I did paralegal like a year ago. Okay. So what's your first and last name?
Officer Confront from Police.
First name.
C-A-F-F-R-O-N-I.
C-A-F-F-R-O-N-I.
My batch number is 616.
616.
Correct.
What's your whole bar number? Your entire bar number?
Bar number? I don't have a bar number. You just got a batch number.
So you said that you went to law school and you don't have a bar number?
No, he didn't say he went to law school. He said he's a police officer and he gave you his badge number.
That's tough. Okay, so let me just call my mom and let me just have her. You obviously are professional. That's tough.
I mean, so it's my understanding that terminated your employment here at the Chevrolet?
Well, what's confirmed is that I need to have someone pick me up. So why are you making it like?
Well, I believe they asked you.
Why are you making it a thing? Huh? Just because I'm here and I'm wasted and everyone's asked me to go.
Leave, and you're not leaving.
I am.
Okay, when is your ride
coming?
coming here?
Oh, cuando mi mamá me dice que va a venir.
My partner doesn't speak Spanish. Okay?
Your partner doesn't speak Spanish,
No.
correct? So that means I had to physically speak.
Did you guys officially ask her to leave the property?
Yes, we did. And then her mom was on the phone after I
Yeah,
told
my
her
mom
to
said that
leave.
she was on the
Her
way.
mom said she's not coming to pick
Go
her
ahead.
up.
No,
Ask her to leave
no,
the property.
let me put my mom on speaker.
You need to leave the dealership now, please.
Okay, so ma'am, let me.
Yeah, let's get your mom on speaker. That'll fix everything.
Okay, so the
You
phone
can
got
hang up the
shut-
phone too.
Okay, so I asked my mom to come on the way.
Your mother told me she's not picking you up.
So what's my mom's name?
I don't know. She was on the phone.
Okay, so that means
She doesn't speak very good English.
okay, so that means that
Give me
you
a
don't
shirt.
know my mom's name. So that means I have to get my mom on
But
the
I just
phone.
asked you to leave.
Do you have a vehicle here?
No, I
Okay,
don't believe
it's
so.
time to
She
go.
drives, but I
We're
believe
telling you need to leave. You're gonna be
So
trespassed.
You gotta go. That's what we're trying to tell you. Got to go.
I can't call my mom and ask her.
You
to
don't.
pick
They
me
don't
up?
want you to use their phones. Okay.
So I can't ask my mom to come pick me up.
you can use your phone, not mine.
You have a phone.
Yeah, don't fall off your chair. That'll make him think you might have been
Lo que
drinking.
dolía, lo que no es. Mommy, this is my mom.
Okay.
Hi, mom. So tengo la policía aquí diciendo que yo necesito irme de los premises, que yo necesito alguien que me recoja, porque hay una gringa aquí fea.
Oh, I need Yesenia here to help me with this. By the way, she was a bunch of people sent this to me, but the first person was Yesenia. She was all worried. She's like, if she's in law school, does that ruin it? And I don't know if she is in law school. She claims it, but I doubt it by her actions. But if she is in law school, she can probably continue with law school. But this would be a real hurdle to overcome in character and fitness when you try to get admitted to the bar.
Ya, tú sabes, ya de pingada.
You don't want to do
Like
this
vieja aquí.
You don't want to do stuff nice? It's a good
So necesito un Uber o voy a tener la policía.
All right. We're gonna go outside. What's her name?
No, eso es lo que va a
What's-
pasar ahora mismo.
What is it? What's your first name?
Entonces.
Okay. I've had enough. We're going. We're going outside. We're
Are
going
you
outside.
touching me?
Let's go outside. We've asked you to leave. Let's go.
Have your purse.
We're going outside. Let's go.
Are you touching me?
Yes. Everyone's asked you to leave. Let's go. Let's go. Time to go outside.
I will pick myself up, but don't touch me.
Okay. Let's go outside.
Okay,
We've
let me
asked you
grab
to
my
leave.
purse. Let me grab my purse, but do not touch me. Okay.
Outside.
But my lip gloss.
Bro.
Like, bro, what the fuck is wrong with you?
We've asked you to leave.
I
It's
don't
time to
give a
go.
fuck.
That's okay. All right.
Check
all right,
out my
all
mouth.
right. All right. Put your hands on your head. We're not doing this. We're not doing this.
Bro, we got a lip gloss in the balance here. Calm down a second.
Bro, stop! Stop!
Put your hands behind your back.
No,
I have a resistance.
no, this isn't resisting.
This is resisting.
This is not
Stop
resisting.
resisting.
I'm not resisting.
that's
I'm
resisting.
literally
So,
innocent. I'm innocent.
This could have been super simple, and you could have just left.
Lock it real
Look
quick.
at my stuff. Look at my phone. No, this isn't
Stop
innocent.
moving. Stop moving. Stop moving.
What's wrong with you guys? This is my phone.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Purse, my
No.
stuff. My purse. That's my purse. That's my phone. That's my. Like, what are you guys doing? That's my purse.
What are
that's
you
my
doing to
phone.
yourself? That's the
No.
question.
What the question
You've been
is?
drinking a lot today. I don't know what you were drinking, my dear. Pretty strong.
No one's been drinking.
Hey, miss, do me a favor. Do a sweep on that desk. Make sure nothing else that belongs to her is there.
You know what? You know what, you guys, this whole company, this whole company's gonna be sued by my law. Bro, this whole company's gonna be sued.
You
Come on,
could've
take me up, bitch! Take me up, bitch!
You could have just left.
Dale, take me up! But you guys are gonna be sued.
Okay. Well, you could.
I wanted to leave.
Try to show one in custody.
No one wanted me to leave. But guess what? This whole place is gonna be sued. It's gonna be sued. Fuck this place. This whole place is gonna be sued.
if you are ill-advised enough to actually file a lawsuit against this place over this incident, this would be Exhibit A in their defense, and let me tell you, it'd be pretty effective.
Fuck this.
Stop moving around.
I don't give a fuck. What? I'm in law school. I have a clean record.
Okay, but like we said, you could have just
You
left.
had a clean record.
I wanted to leave. I tried to leave. They wouldn't let me.
It didn't seem like that.
They wouldn't let me.
Other way.
Fuck this place. Take this shit off of me before.
They're not coming off. You're going to jail.
You know what?
Let's see. Watch your head.
Let
Watch
me
your
go
head.
to fucking jail.
Watch your
If you haven't hit like and subscribe, I just want you to know that you're hurting Jack's feelings. There you have it.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Gregg. I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Mr. Meadows, you're here on behalf of Mr. Gregg. What jump, sir?
Judge, Mr. Gregg is 17 years old. He's currently charged with a third-degree felony. He has no prior record. He did have a misdemeanor marijuana case that was handled, I believe, in juvenile diversion.
It was a felony, Judge. It was a THC vape pen back in 19. But it was dismissed.
Okay.
He resides in a home with his father. His mother passed away in 2016, but he has siblings and another adult in the home. Judge, he has, under the score sheet, this is a level 4.
And Woggly Hoggly.
He scores absolutely no mandatory prison at all. So potential worst case scenario is a non-state or a state sanction, non-incarcerative sanction for him.
I wouldn't say that's the worst case scenario.
Huh?
That's not the worst case scenario.
Well, unless the judge finds.
Right. Unless the judge finds.
Some special finding, just what he was for. And so I say all that to say he poses no flight risk. He has no job, so whatever bond the court should set is going to be paid by his father, who's trying to keep his whole family supported. Asked for a pretrial release on this case with the condition that he not be school property during the pending pendency of this case, and no contact with any school official or witness.
Going to charge him with grand theft of a firearm?
Judge, the facts as allowed or as stated in the complaint are not exactly what we have been told has happened. And I think perhaps Callie can clear this up further. What we have learned is that the gun was actually purchased and that he has disclosed to law enforcement who he purchased that gun from.
Okay, so the complaint affidavit. Gotcha.
And to clarify, his father had seized 2 guns from him prior, so this is the 3rd gun that was not collected.
Your Honor, I would like to say those guns were legally owned. They were brought to my house by a friend when we went shooting the weekend before.
Judge, I don't know that it makes much difference, but
It makes some difference to me that he's got guns all the time.
Well, this is
Well, my friend was actually supposed to be coming to pick those up that weekend, Your Honor.
But this, you need to keep your mouth shut, please.
That's probably the best advice.
I state all that to say,
Nobody's more pro Second Amendment than me. Nobody.
yes, Judge, and I don't think it's entirely outrageous that a 17-year-old.
It's a little outrageous. You got to keep taking guns from him though, and then he ends up with one at school.
Yeah,
Allegedly.
also state that one of my this pistol has been
Okay.
Possession.
Okay.
The allegation is. So the complaint, I think its facts have developed and certainly was sufficient for Callie to be able to file that information, but there are additional facts and perhaps omissions within the complaint that she is cured by that, by the time it gets.
And Judge, this is related to an adult case. I'm not going to address that on the record. So I do know about some other details that Mr. Meadows may be touching on because that individual is also in the jail. But we would stress that this was posted on social media, which is a concern for the state because of the allegation in the complaint affidavit.
It's always a woman involved. I mean, not always, but a lot of times. All right, bond is set at $15,000 with pretrial release conditions, no firearms in the home that he's residing in, and no contact with Bay County School Board or school board employees.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What's the court date?
That's
And I promise.
Step to your right to the
And
T.
Fambro,
When the green light come on,
I will
sir.
be emailing the jail
I've never
after
been to
court
Piggly
because there
Wiggly
is somebody
in
that
my
you
life.
should probably stay away from in the jail, but I can't do a no conduct.
He
threat
has
code,
to
and it's-
anyway. It doesn't matter. He's Jew. He has to.
Oh, thank
Big
you.
store there is Publix
Steve, you want to sign? Or?
with an X.
Thank you, Judge.
Good wings, good subs.
Rodani,
Hold on. I'll get your copy.
can I come to you?
Nice job.
Raise your right hand for me. You solemnly swear from me, truthfully and
I do.
accurately interpret the conversation in court and the defendant day?
I do.
All right. We got to wait for Mr. Gregg to get processed around so we don't have any interaction.
That's your last free
Heaven
endorsement,
forbid we
Publix.
Get a juvenile mixed up with some adults over there.
I'm prosecuting that one.
I don't want Mr. Ambrose getting in trouble.
I'm not worried about that.
Oh, Miss Ambrose. You know, Steve, it's almost like she's not scared of me. Yeah, why would she be? Why would she be? Nobody else is either. Take care. Take care.
Oh,
All right, Ronnie, ask him to say his full name for me.
Dígale su nombre completo al juez.
Mr. Chinchilla, before the court charge, driving under the influence, driving license suspended, revoked, temporary tag unlawfully used, attached tag not assigned, and false ID to the law enforcement officer. Does he understand those charges?
Señor Chinchilla está frente al juez acusado de manejar bajo los efectos del alcohol, manejar con la licencia suspendida o revocada, usar una placa temporal de forma ilícita, poner una placa no asignada y dar una identificación falsa a un agente de la policía. ¿Entiende los cargos?
oh yeah.
I understand he's been given copies of paperwork and advised of his rights.
Entiendo que se,
Application, I'm sorry, go ahead. That's mine.
entiendo que se le dio copia de los papeles y se le notificaron sus derechos.
Based on his application, I do find that he qualifies, and I'm going to appoint a public defender to represent him.
Según su solicitud, determino que califica y le asigno al abogado de oficio para que lo represente.
Don't let me talk over you, Jordani. Just shut me down. All right. Deputy, criminal history.
Shows no history with no social.
All right. On the DUI, bond is $2,500. Driving license suspended revoked is $1,000. The temporary tag is $500. The attached tag not assigned is $500. False name to a law enforcement officer is $1,000.
Bien, la fianza por manejar bajo los efectos del alcohol, 2.500, por manejar con la licencia suspendida o revocada, 1.000, por usar una placa temporal de forma ilícita, 500, por una placa no asignada, 500, y por información falsa a la policía, 1.000.
Court date's going to be May 1st at 1 o'clock.
Su audiencia va a ser el 1 de mayo a la 1 en punto.
Buena suerte.
Okay, thank you.
That's all I got, Ron. And I can get to a bar fight. That's it. That's the only thing. All right, ask him to say his full name for me.
Dígale su nombre completo al juez.
Gustavo Villegas Rodríguez.
He's before the court charged with reckless driving.
Está frente al juez acusado de manejar de forma imprudente.
I understand you can give copies of paperwork and advise of his rights.
Entiendo que se le dio copia del papeleo y se le notificaron sus derechos.
Based on his application, if he does qualify, I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender representative.
Según su solicitud, determino que califica y le asigno al abogado de oficio para que lo represente.
Deputy, criminal history.
He shows no history, sir, with no social.
Bond set at 1,500. Court date's going to be May 1st at 8:30. I'm sorry, at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock.
Su fianza son 1,500. Su próxima audiencia el 1 de mayo a la 1 en punto.
Running on caffeine.
Next. Yeah,
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Justin.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, there's some good stuff coming up here. Trust me. You know, with Judge Vann there is. But I kind of had to patch this together. I got little bits here and there. Like I said, Biggin helped me out. But don't worry. Don't worry. It's awesome. I'm a YouTube professional.
Mr. Danfeld, you're fully tortured with battery. Do you understand that charge, sir?
I'm sorry. I couldn't hear you.
What you've been charged with?
Yes, I heard. Yes.
I understand you've been getting copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Kelly, you represent Mr. Danfeld?
I do, Your Honor. Mr. Danfeld's lived in Bay County for about 7 years. He was working here at the time of his charges against Facebook. Boston's employment. He has one prior charge, DUI, before Your Honor.
And Judge, I could only hear some of what Mr. Kelly said, but to explain the situation, while his DUI was pending in your division, he picked up this new charge when it went into warrant status. And since then, somehow he got his judgment and sentencing on the DUI yesterday, so his bond could not be revoked. And because this predates the date of his plea, since this new charge predates the date of his plea, it does not violate probation either.
That seems like good lawyer work.
He was represented by Mr. Turner on that case. Judge, I would know he has family who lives in town. I honestly, I've just been provided a copy out of the day.
Okay.
Today.
Can we agree that alcohol was a factor?
And, courts certainly handled a lot of these cases over the years. Its infinite wisdom probably could reach
I like it.
conclusion.
I like it when it's left in my infinite wisdom.
And Judge, his last BAC was 0.23.
Oh, well, that was then. I'm sure he's not now. Mr. Danfeld, I'm going to set your bond at $2,500. No contact with the alleged victim and no alcohol while you're on release.
He's on probation, so.
That dovetails along with the requirements for probation also. Good luck, sir. Court date's May 1st. Clock.
Step to your right to the T. When the light comes on, sign. Dare. Alvin, who do you have?
Willie Hill, Mr. Willie Hill.
Yes, yes, sir. Adele,
Number
come on
21.
Come on, get Willie Hill next, 21. Step on the X.
This guy is
State your
something
name.
else.
Mr. Adair, you're before the court charged with 6 counts of arson. You understand those charges?
I understand.
All right, sir. These are additional charges. I know that
I mean, it's hard to stay that white in the state of Florida. Like you have to just hide all day.
you already got an attorney on your other cases. I'm sure they'll probably pick these up as well. We're going to hold you without bond on these cases as well. Court date's going to be June 15th at 9 o'clock. Good luck, sir.
Step to your right to the T.
And Judge, I wasn't
Delta
able to
guy,
get a
come
notice
here.
of appearance for that attorney. Do you know who the attorney
Delta guy.
was for Adair?
It was Shepherd.
Oh, okay. That's why I didn't
Mr.
recognize.
Adair?
Yes.
I believe. Hey, D guy, come here. Step up right in, sir. How was this guy's name? George.
State your name, sir.
Willie Hill.
Mr. Hill, you fully court on failure to appear for a grand theft auto in front of Judge Clark. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Alabama
You can give
border,
me copies of paperwork and advise your rights.
10, 15 miles from there.
I'd like to tell you that the grand theft auto is apparently a family dispute where the alleged victim is attempting to drop the charges. But even more significantly, the failure to appear results from a notice that was sent to Amy Circle. Amy Circle is not his actual address. He lives on a different address, and the notice was sent to the wrong place. So he didn't get the notice. There's no intention to fail to appear, and he will appear for any and all future court dates in this matter. So that's where I.
Remember, you look marvelous.
Sound easy.
No, it does not.
I typed into Google State Attorney's Office, Panama City, Florida, and yet somehow I'm getting everything but our office. There it is. Okay. What he needs to type in to Google is 14th Judicial Circuit, State Attorney's Office, Panama City. That's what comes up. He'll go to the main website.
Mr. Vann, can you write that on the first appearance sheet for him?
Oh, I got it. sa14.fl.gov. There we go.
SA-14.
Can you write that down, sir?
I am. SA
Oh, that's cute. How he's dutifully doing what she says.
14.fl.gov.
And on the website, there'll be a diversion program, misdemeanor diversion. He just needs to go through and fill out his information, and they should get it through.
Okay.
But he can also call our office Monday and confirm that it went through before he gets an FTA in court.
Okay.
Good advice. Good luck, sir.
Yes, sir.
Step to your right to the T. When the green light is, don't fall. Go ahead and sign. Yes. Red X, sir. State your name.
Wagner, James.
Mr. Wagner, you're for the court on a failure to pay fine on a possession of paraphernalia charge. You're also for the court on a new possession of paraphernalia charge. You understand those charges?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. On the failure to pay fine, you've been sentenced to 15 days in the Bay County Jail, but you may purge out upon payment of $400. Are you going to be able to make that?
Is that $400?
Yeah.
I can make that now. Yeah, I started the job, sir. I just got my job back.
All right. They're also making you a time served offer on the other charge, on the new charge, so you can get all this behind you today if you want to.
How's that?
They want to make you an offer of time served, 2 days in the Bay County Jail, credit for 2 days you've already served.
So one of them is gone? I'm not understanding. I'm sorry.
Either one of them are gone. You got to purge out to get out of jail on the first one, the one that you didn't pay your fine on.
Right.
The second one, the new one, they're making you a time served offer where you would just owe court costs and fines as a civil judgment, but you get credit for the time you spent in jail last night and today.
Okay, so how much would it take to get out today, sir?
Yeah. Without getting into further detail, there were drugs involved.
To get out, you got to pay $400 on the old charge to get out today.
Today? Okay.
All right. But do you want to take care of the new charge also?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
I don't mind. All right. In case 23-22-56.
Wait, well, I'm sorry. I'm just going to ask this question one more time. What do you mean by take care of it? Just time served and it's over with?
Yes.
Time served is over with, but you still owe the court costs and fines will still be due in the future.
Okay.
The due date is 4/20 of 2024 because it's an easy date to remember. That's what I've been
still
told.
420? I thought I changed it to 428.
That's what you put on here.
No,
you put
just
420.
kidding. Just kidding.
All right. So to recap, this would take care of the
420 because he's stony. I love it.
You've got 2 days in the Bay County Jail in case 23-22-56. You owe $400 as a civil judgment on or before April the 20th of next year. You've been sentenced per capias on the old charge. You got to pay $400 or serve 15 days.
Yes, sir.
All right. Any questions?
No, sir.
All right. Good deal.
Step to your right to the T. Next.
It's okay.
Red X.
No, don't.
State your name.
Bill Hollis.
Mr. Hollis, before the court on violation of probation for what was originally a DUI in front of Judge Grammer. So you've been here held without bond. Your court date is May 17th at 1:30.
Thank you.
Next, step to your right behind him. Next.
Everybody's got this Friday vibe but me.
Riddick.
I don't have a Friday vibe.
State your name.
Mr. Hayes, before the court on a violation of probation for a petty theft. You understand, sir? No?
You don't. I really don't. I don't understand.
Well, let me explain it to you. You're on probation for a petty theft.
Why did I violate?
You picked up a new felony petty theft.
I don't know nothing about it.
The definition of a violation of probation is picking up a new charge.
I don't know nothing about it though, sir.
Oh, man, I got to get it together.
I really don't.
Here we are. All right, you're held without bond. Your court date's going to be May 3rd
Well, now
at
you
1:30.
Step to your right next to the wall. Watch out for
I
the
don't have
button.
the crayons to explain it today.
Is that him? Sir, this is going to be 23, Mr. Miller. Riddick. State your name.
Stop muttering. Miller, you're in court on failure to appear on a pretrial conference for possession paraphernalia. You're also before the court on a resisting officer without violence. You understand the charges?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. I understand you've been given copies of paperwork, advised of your rights. Based on your application, if I find you do qualify, I'm going to go ahead and appoint the public defender to represent you. Any question about that?
No, sir.
All right. You've been ordered held without bond on the failure to appear for pretrial conference by Judge Stevenson. Your court date's going to be May 18th at 9 o'clock. On the resisting officer without violence. Yeah.
I was a baker, so I couldn't make my court.
Yeah. Okay. That's between you and Judge Stevenson. On the resisting officer without violence, bond's $2,500. Court date's Monday, May 1st at 1 o'clock.
Thank you.
Step behind him at the back.
Thank you, Allison. What is good stuff?
Riddick, sir. State your name.
Grand theft, domestic violence battery, and criminal mischief less than $200. You understand the charges?
Yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true?
I ain't even come to court. I ain't even come to court. They just gave me a charge.
Is that true? You got a copy of your paperwork? You have a copy of your paperwork and were you advised of your rights today?
Yes, sir.
Based on your application, I find that you do qualify for the services of the Public Defender's Office. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the Public Defender to represent you. Any question about that?
No question.
Deputy, criminal history?
22, battering a person over 65, and 15, tampering with evidence. That's it.
And Your Honor, his probable cause indicates he is not a local.
No, sir. He's from Miami. On the tampering of the victim, bond set at $25,000. The grand theft is $5,000. The domestic violence battery is $5,000. The criminal mischief is $2,500. No contact, directly, indirectly, or through a third party, alleged victim. Court date's going to be June 5th at 9 o'clock.
Step to your right to the T. Wait, sir. Step on the T. When the green light comes on, sir. Next.
Put your right foot in. Take your right foot out.
Come on in. Step on the red X, sir.
This
Mr.
guy's a piece
Fussell,
of
you're
work.
fully court on a violation of probation for what was originally 2 counts of felony battery, fraudulent use of a credit card, and fraudulent use of ID times 2.
This
You're
one's
also
fun.
fully court on a petty theft for shoplifting. You understand those charges?
No, sir. Because I believe I was locked up in February at the time of the charges, or before or after. I can't exactly remember, but I know I spent my 43rd birthday here in the county jail in February.
Okay, when'd you get out?
I've been out a month. That's what I don't understand. I've only reported into probation one time since I got reinstated.
Okay. This is alleged to have happened on April the 14th.
No, according to this, it says February the 13th, 2022. At 4 p.m. I was locked up.
What I've got, I'm looking, on April 14th at 9:30, did commit the offense of violation of probation.
See, I already
He's
took
talking
care
about
of
the
that.
pet theft.
Yeah, I already took care of the violation of probation and everything, got reinstated, already reported in and everything else like that. And I don't understand. I was
On
supposed to,
April
I've
the
been going to
14th,
care
at approximately 9:37 a.m., the defendant was observed by Walmart Asset Protection stealing an ugly stick fishing reel from the store.
See, that's what I don't understand.
Judge, it looks like there's probably a typo. He's talking about the February 13th part at the top. So
Yeah.
I am not sure what they were trying to do with this. He still has a violation though.
I spent my 43rd
See
birthday
what
here
his
in
violation
county jail.
paperwork
Yeah,
says.
we've heard.
See, this is what I don't understand. I mean,
No, it's the ugly stick because I looked at his VOP affidavit when BCSO did the VOP charge in the complaint affidavit. They're referencing the April 14th date, Judge.
I like, no, it's the ugly stick. She's like, oh, good Lord.
All right. April 14th at Walmart.
Yes.
Okay. All right. You're held without bond on the VOP. Court date on that is going to be May 17th at 9 o'clock. 2,500 on the petty theft. Damn, I didn't get away. I didn't convince the judge I was right. May 1st at 8:30 on. Sorry, it's not right. It's 1 o'clock. Damn, they got me. I mean, he's the one that said he was out of jail.
Next. Next.
Mr. Gary, before the court charged a felony domestic violence battery by strangulation. You understand the charge?
Yes, sir.
I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true, sir?
Repeat yourself. I can't hear you.
You got a copy of your paperwork?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Based on your application, sir, I find that you do qualify for the services of the Public Defender's Office. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the Public Defender to represent you. Any question about that?
No, sir.
Remind me to tell y'all about my physical therapist when we get finished with this. She is killing me. All right. Deputy, criminal history?
He has nothing new since 19, but some sentences. 19 was a resisting, 2 counts possession of legend drug, less than 20.
That's not true either. He's got a 22 case that he got time served for. And it was a felony case though.
That's the sentences.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right.
Domestic and bad 17.
Yeah, I knew about the prior domestic. Bond set at 15,000. Court date is May 15th at 9 o'clock. No contact, directly, indirectly, or through a third party alleged victim.
Step to your right to the T.
Got this tool. It's got like this 3-headed thing, and they dig on it to break up scar tissue.
Oh yeah, I've used that. It's not fun.
Step on the T, darling.
Yeah.
Check your line. Next.
That's supposed to help. Bond set at 1,500. Court dates May 1st, 1 o'clock. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Step to your right. Sir, Mr. Roberts has declined to come back down.
Well, I think I know why.
Yeah, I do too.
I've got Mr. Roberts on probation. So
on Monday,
paraphernalia 1,000. The resisting's 2,500. Court date's gonna be May 1st at 1 o'clock. And I'm signing a warrant for violation of probation case 23-2154. Can I go ahead and first appear him on that too, so we don't have to bring him tomorrow? I know the court date.
Well, if you're writing it on there, that's fine.
Okay. I know my own court date, so.
What was the bond on the first one? On his new charges? I'm sorry.
1,000 and 2,500.
Okay, thanks.
His court date on the VOP is going to be May 3rd at 1:30.
Yes, sir.
Look at us, one-stop shop. Tax
Next.
title out the door. Let's go.
And Judge, because I anticipate Mr. Griffith's argument for the next one, I could argue it first.
Ready. State your name.
Mr. Hallford, you're fully court charged with possession of paraphernalia. Do you understand the charge? I understand you've been given copies of paperwork and advised of your rights. Is that true? All right, sir. Based on your application, finds you do qualify for the services of the Public Defender's Office. I'm going to go ahead and appoint the Public Defender to represent you. Any question about that? Okay. Deputy, criminal history, other than the probation?
Last year, controlled substance, paraphernalia trespass, or FTA. He had a sentence in 22-17, was dealing and stolen, false ID to pawnbroker, petty theft third, 16. History locally goes back to 99.
Mr. Hallford, on the paraphernalia bond set at 1,000. Court date's May the 1st at 1 o'clock. On the BOP, I'm ordering you held without bond. Your court date's going to be May 3rd at 1:30.
Step to your right, sir, to the T.
And Judge, it's not coming up for some reason in benchmark. What is Mr. Number 28's bond, Robinson's?
1,500.
Okay, that's what I thought. But thank you, Judge.
All right.
Well, there you have it. Fun stuff. Thanks again to Biggin, who I see just arrived, who helped me grab some of Judge Vann and also our new friend, Police Body Cam. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Nonetheless, Drunk Care Network was too good to pass on. It really was. Thank you all for coming out. Behave yourselves. Oh. Thank you, Craig. I will see you all soon.